Hi there, I'm Matt, and today we're going to be taking one of our brand new Tele-kits and turning it into an Acoustasonic. So we've got this lovely black limber Tele-kit body. I put up a poll on the Instagram, on the Crimson Instagram, and you people decided on this lovely spalted beech top. I need to join this up. I need to hog out a load of material out of here because Acoustasonics have an inlaid top. So having gone back and watched what Ben did on the Kauri Jazzmaster build, I'm going to follow his order. So I'm going to do the hollowing first, and then I'm going to do the lip for the top second. So the difficulty we're going to have with this is balancing a router on it. So if you're going to use a handheld router to do something like this, you're going to need to make a big plate that sits almost, even when you're all the way over here, it's still resting on this side. That way you're not wobbling and worrying about wobbling and all that kind of thing. So after careful deliberation, I am going to super glue and masking tape this down first. All right, so this is now hollowed out. I was just informed as well that this line here is the start of the arm carve. So I'm just going to mark this on before I take the template off, so it's in the right place. Now, before I cut the lip on this, I'm going to need to know how thick my top's going to be. Yeah. Something has not gone quite right with the template here, because it'll fit here and here and here, but then it doesn't fit here and the center line is not in the middle. And so what I'm going to do before I cut the top out, I'm going to edit the template I'll be routing the top out of first to get this to fit nicely in here. Cool, so I have edited the top template so that it fits nicely with a small gap around the outside. I'm going to put some black veneer in there and yeah, cool. I think the MDF top is nice, and we'll just leave it like that. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye. Now the moment of truth. See if the top fits. It's gonna be nice. So the next thing I'm going to think about is bracing. Now, after going back and watching Ben's video of the Kauri Jazzmaster, he did 2 braces down here. So I'm going to do the same. And I've got this lovely piece of almost quarter sawn black limber. I figured I might as well use black limber as the body is black limber and it's quarter sawn. So I'm just going to mark out where they're going to go. I think I'm going to lay one there, just either side of the hole, pretty much. They're a bit thick currently. I'm sure people are going to fight me in the comments. Oh, you can't use black limber for bracing. Well, it's an Acoustasonic. It'll be fine.
It's wood, that's close enough for you, isn't it?
Well, it's quarter sawn and it's wood, so yeah. Right, so we were going to do black veneer along the inside or outside of the top, I guess. But I've got a feeling that it's going to be easier to use really thin black plastic binding. It does mean I'm going to have to refit the top, but I'm just going to make the inside edge nice and smooth for the binding. So I've just taken a measurement of the actual Acoustasonic that we have, and it looks like the pickup is about 30 mil from the sound hole. So I'm just going to pop that there and see if that makes lots of sense. Cool. I'm going to use this piece of rosewood here. The grain's going this way, opposite, not opposite really, but 45 degrees to the grain of the top, so that makes the bridge plate stronger. Sweet. So I'm not doing these clamps up very, very tight as I would do on a normal electric guitar top, because last thing I want to do is crack the top, because there's not that much support. I think that might do for now, to be fair.
Right, Matt has now buggered off on holiday, so I'm taking over. It is now a new day. I now have no beard.